Choosing the right mascara. Video number 2. When selecting black mascara, you must consider your desired outcome and personal preferences. Several types of black mascara are available on the market, each offering different benefits. For example, lengthening mascaras work wonders for those seeking longer lashes, volumizing mascaras add fullness, and curling mascaras enhance the natural curl of your lashes. Waterproof mascaras are also available for those teary-eyed moments or when you need your makeup to withstand humidity or rain. Application tips. Applying black mascara may seem daunting initially, but you can achieve stunning results with simple techniques.
Please find more in video number 3 and in the link to our website.